Okay, so Julie, we are approaching to double roundabouts again. In this case, the first roundabout we will turn right, third exit. Yeah, last time we went straight, yes?
Yes.
This time from the first roundabout we're gonna turn right, third exit. Second roundabout we'll go straight ahead, second exit. So first right, then second roundabout, straight. Okay?
Third, second.
Yeah, third and second. Yes. So first roundabout, third. Second roundabout, second exit. Where do you position?
Right.
Okay. For the right, we always position on the right or mid if the middle is available. Yeah, but most of the time it is right anyway. Okay, I'm repeating it again. Third and second roundabout, second. Okay?
Third and second.
Yeah. Yes, good, no problem. This middle lane is going right as well, so you can use it. No, do not cross that line. Yeah, if you use this lane, it should be here on the left. Yes, check your mirrors, give a signal. See, again he was going into that lane. No, don't do that, leave it. No need to do it, no need to do it. Okay, so you already done third from the first roundabout, yeah, third exit, okay? You ended up in the left only lane, yeah? Yes, you can change the lane, but in between two roundabouts, it's really hard. Why would you change it? Why are you not staying here and the next roundabout, instead of doing second exit, to left? Yes, the only time we do change the lane when it is safe to do so. Okay, so in between two roundabouts, it's not really safe. Yeah, don't do it. Okay, so go roundabout left, please. Next time we will try to change the lane as well, yeah. But this time I'm just teaching you for the safety point of view. Okay, so second roundabout, first exit this time. Just ignore the second exit here. Okay, this is the first junction, and then there will be another junction near to that roundabout. Okay, so you have to little bit pause and look on the right properly. Yeah. There you go. That's all done. See, safely done. Keep going nicely. And from the next roundabout, go straight, please. See there? Okay. So Judy, I repeat it again. From the first roundabout, it was right, third exit. Yes. Instead of using overtaking lane, you use the middle lane. Yeah, in the beginning. Yeah, in the first roundabout.
Yes.
So that middle lane took you to the left. Okay. No problem. Just carry on going left. Do not go to the straight from that roundabout then. Take the next left, please. Okay, so we'll do it again, right, from the same side. Okay, so Julie, you are again at the same place. So we're gonna do right, okay, right, third exit from the first roundabout and second exit from the second roundabout. Last time what you did, you went to the overtaking lane, and by the time you was in the roundabout, you used the middle lane and outer circle. All right, this time we're gonna use the overtaking lane throughout from the first roundabout because we are doing third exit. Okay, so check your mirrors, give a signal, let that car go if he wants to. Slow down a little bit, just ease off. Yeah, like that. Change the lane, please. Okay, so last time you used the overtaking lane, right lane, yeah, but further down you went to the middle, which was perfectly fine. If you ever go that way, you can, number one, you can use the middle lane and the left. Yes. And then from the next round, go turn left. No need to change the lane. But this time, what we're gonna do? We're gonna use the overtaking lane throughout, and we'll get the middle lane from the second roundabout. Understand? Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So first roundabout, we're gonna stay in the right. The third exit and second exit. Okay. Third from the first roundabout. Yes. Go to the right lane. See, so last time what you did, you went to the middle. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Both are going right. Okay. We're gonna use overtaking. All right. Okay. Last time you was there on the middle. Look. Now spiral will push you out in the middle. This is second exit. Stay in the middle. Check your mirrors and give a left signal. That's it. And then middle lane. See that? Look, this guy is changing the lane. That's why I said to you earlier on, do not
Yeah.
change the lane. Look, the person is not aware what is happening behind. No indicator. Look, no indicator. Yes? So he didn't even look on the right.
And
That's
put
what,
me in the middle.
Yes. But you was already here anyway. So last time what you did, you was there.
Yeah.
And you was trying to do exactly the same thing what he did. Because it is too narrow. Yes? The gap is less as well. Right? Roads are narrow, busy, congested. It's not easy to change the lane. If it is not easy, if it's not safe, don't change it. Stay in the same lane. Look, look, that guy is pushing in, yeah, but at least the person has given indicator. Look, yeah, but he's still pushing in. Look at that, how
Yes.
close it is. Yeah, that's why we don't want to change the lane from there to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a dangerous place. Okay, look, the guy is coming back again. Look at that. No indicator. Look at this guy. Can you see that?
Yeah. Go.
Yeah, so he's going right, left. I don't know what he's doing. It's fine, just stay away. Let him do what he does. Can you signal now, please? That's it. Okay, so we are in the middle lane. We don't need indicator until we are turning right. Yeah, because second exit is more toward the right, yes? Over 12 o'clock. If it is over 12 o'clock, you can give indicator right, yes? But not yet, further down. See, again I repeat, if you ever end up there, just go left. Do not go straight from the left lane. Lots of people do that mistake. Right indicator and auto track, please, yeah? Like this. Very good. Okay, see, you ended up in the left lane. So second roundabout is done as well. So first roundabout, third exit, second roundabout, second exit. Okay, so this is what we done. Okay, so we done double roundabouts today. Okay.